Welcome to Anyone Can Do This. My name is Floyd Wilson. So today, let's see what we have in our basket today. Grape tomatoes, pea shoots, some cut pea shoots, some sugar snap peas, some red radish, parsley, spring mix. All right, I know what we make it here. This is gonna be a quick, I call it a spring salad. Very easy. Okay, here we are. As I say, we're gonna make my version of a spring salad because this is all I have. And this stuff is what we have in our fridges. So just use it. Put this one side. These are called curly parsley. I'm just gonna pick it. These red radish. Just take your time. Look, you see? Just take your time to cut it. Anyone can do this. This is what this challenge is about. See? You know. 15 years ago, I couldn't do this. Look at me now. You could do it. Take time, okay? And don't say 15 years is too long because you're still going to be eating food in 15 years. So you have to learn, right? Right? And then when you get like this and you can't hold it up and do like me here because it's dangerous, just turn it like that. And then just do like this, okay? That's going to cook this. It's going to eat raw, which is beautiful. If you want to cook it, you could blanch it to put your salad, but it's a salad we're making here, so we want to keep it, you know. These ones, what you could do is just a quick chop to it, right? After you finish chop it, just put it into your bowl. When we set this aside, I'm going to show you what I'm going to do with that later, okay? So now we're going to build the salad right now, okay? So everything is in there except the radish, which I just have in some water here. I'm going to take some of my dressing. It's all about how much you want to put in there, okay? Fresh cracked pepper. It's gonna wake it up nicely. You get a bit of salt. Okay, you have to season your salad too. Just a little bit. Mix it. Don't try to crush it too much, right? And damage your leaves, right? You still want it to look that, you know, fresh and nice. Because I love dressing, this is what I do. I love dressing. I want to make sure, put some on the bottom. And then we're gonna plate. See, all the parsley and all the good stuff is in there. Try and mount it as high as possible. And remember, the tomatoes and stuff is gonna be at the bottom of the bowl. So, perfect. Now, remember these? So what you could do, you could put it there, like this. Just on the edge. Right, just do that. And then don't forget, wow, look. So look how beautiful this look. Even I'm impressed. Do it at home. You know, a little bit of parsley there. Wow, there's a big one. There's a big bite, right? But let's try it anyway.